Hey groomers, Tyler here out of Colorado. Wanted to show you something. If you feel like your clippers are bogging down or whatnot when you're grooming. I got a note with these that I replaced the motor last time and they still feel weak. I turned them on, they were on the 5th speed. I don't recommend using the 5th speed. I stick with the 2nd or 3rd. It's plenty fast and it won't heat your blades up as much, won't wear out your blade drive as quick, won't wear out the motor as fast. It's a little quieter, so the dogs might not freak out as much. A lot of reasons not to use the 5th speed. If you have to go through a weird coat, turn it up, but get used to using the 2nd or 3rd speed. And if you look closely at this clipper here, you can see there's some red stuff on the blade drive and in the hinge there. And that tells me there's not enough oil. So that will increase tension on the blades. The metal heats up and then they spread apart a little bit. It expands, so creates more tension, making everything work harder, which in turn will make everything bog down. And then I took a look at the blades and they are way overdue for sharpening. So if you look, let me slide, and it's kind of tight here. They cleaned out all their blades beautifully. There's no hair or red stuff on them, but I can tell they weren't oiling enough because of the clipper. And the other thing is I noticed this clipper also has kind of a wiggly hinge there. You can see it moving. So we're probably going to replace that. I noticed some of the blades have marks on the back of them. Oh yeah, even this one. So if your blades look like this when you slide the cutter over, see all that shiny stuff and how it's like red down there? That's the blade like burnt, getting way too hot. And then down here on the rail too, you can see it. Hopefully the camera picks that up and you can see that. You want to see more of like a rainbow when you do it, and that means it's time for sharpening. There's no blade in here that wasn't overdue, so there was one that wasn't even used, but that one doesn't really show you the wear marks either. Anyway, you can see that. So when you see all that shiny stuff on the blade, it's worn out, it's dull, it's flat. There needs to be a hollow ground. That's why you get that rainbow effect on it. So I hope this makes sense. What fixes all this? It's oil. So just remember to oil your blades. Come on. I'm going to keep yelling it till everyone does it, but I hope this helps someone. If it doesn't make sense or you couldn't quite see it, let me know. I'll try and take pictures next time I see something like this. But yeah, this red stuff doesn't rub off like the dander would. So that is just, it got way too hot. It's burnt, you know? So hot, metal expands. When it expands, it pulls up on the spring, creating higher tension. And then all of a sudden your clippers have to work harder. They're probably heating up in your hands. And it probably feels like it's slowing down for you. It's a brand new motor. It's on the 1st speed now. And usually I can try and stop it with my thumb. This one I can't stop, so it's still good. It was a good motor. Once in a while we get bad ones from the factory, so it could have been that, but it seems to me like just more oil, and it fixes a lot. So remember to oil. Thanks. Bye.